Okay, good morning, 10th standard students. Today I will continue the exercise. Next problem, fifth problem. Fifth problem. What is fifth problem? In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. In a retail market, fruit vendors selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. Full stop. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. According to the number of boxes. So, with the data first. Number of mangoes. First, number of mangoes. Number of mangoes. Number of boxes. Number of boxes. So 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64, frequencies 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Kept in a boxing. Each box. How many mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box? Which method of finding the mean did you choose? Which method? Which method of finding did you choose? So which method? So which method means what? First we have to find out Fi and Xi. Fi, Xi how to observe. Fi, Xi are, for example, 2-digit number, so big numbers. Okay, so we have to go to assume method. Find out, after that find out Di. So Fi into Di also maybe big numbers. Next go to step division method. So because by depending on the method stored, any method is depending on observation, frequencies, the number Fi, Di, Ui, this one depending on the values of frequencies and class marks. Okay, so first step 1, what is the step 1? The class intervals are continuous or not. First we have to check. Is continuous? 52, 53 is not equal. First class interval upper class limit to second interval lower class limit to equal. Must be equal. Not equal means this is not continuous class intervals. So first of all, modified class, and we have to find out modified class intervals. So solution. So some matter is there. What is the matter? It can be observed that it can be observed that class intervals are not continuous. Class intervals are not continuous. So there is a gap of 1 between two class intervals. There is a gap of 1 between two intervals. It is equal, compulsory it is equal, but what is the difference? 52 and 53. 52 minus 53 minus 52 equal to what? 1. So this interval upper class limit and second one lower class limit difference is 1. Okay, so difference is 1 means this is off. You have to do off. 1 off is 1 off equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Difference is 0.5 difference. So 0. Therefore 0.5 over 1 by 2. 1 by 2 or 0.5 has to be added. Upper class limit. Added upper class limit. And subtracted, and 0.5 has to be subtracted. Lower class limit. This one 0.5 difference. So table first, next one no xi class mark formula, class mark xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. So next, so first of all, number of mangoes 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Next, number of boxes 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Next, modified class intervals. So what is the upper class limit subtracted 0.5, lower class limit subtracted 0.5, upper class limit subtracted 0.5 because the difference is 1. So 50 minus 0.5 is equal to 49.5. This adding 0.5 for upper limit 52.5, 49.5 to 52.5 is clearly given. Okay, lower class limit to subtracted by 0.5, upper class limit subtracted by the 0, adding by the 0.5. So next one no 52.1, this subtract to 0.5. So 52.5 to 55.5. Okay, next again 56 means 55.5 to 58.5. Next 58.5 to 61.5. Next 61.5 to 64.5. This is modified class intervals. So modified class interval, next class mark. Class mark xi. How to calculate class mark xi? Upper class limit plus lower class limit. 52.5 plus 49.5. So 50, 102. 102 by 2 is equal to 51. 49 plus 5 plus 52 plus 1 by 2 equal to 51. adding 3 because what, how many, which difference, 52.5 minus 49.5 is equal to 3, so difference is 3. 51 plus 3 54, 54 plus 3 57, 57 plus 3 60, 60 plus 3 63. So F5, number of boxes is equal to F5. F5 is a single digit, triple digit number. This Xi also double digit number. So the calculation is very lengthy. So next go to the DI. DI is equal to formula Xi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the odd number. So what is A? This is near to middle number. So Xi minus 57. Xi minus 57 means Xi means 57. So so DI is equal to Xi minus 57. Xi minus 51 minus 57 minus 6. So 54 minus 57 minus 3. 57 minus 53, 3, 6. So this is Fi is very near to triple digit number. This is also minus 6, minus 3, 3, 6. So DI, Fi into DI, assume main method, you have to apply, you can apply ORR. Now simplify UI. UI is equal to what? Di by H. So H is equal to what? Di by H. H is equal to class difference. H is equal to class size. H is equal to class size. Class size is equal to what? 52.5 minus 49.5 is equal to what? 3. So Di by 3. Di by 3. So Di by 3. Next Di by 3 means, so for example, by 3 means division and simplification and division is there. So Di is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So UI is very simple values. So next Fi into UI. Fi into UI. Fi is equal to 15 minus 2 minus 13. Next 110 into minus 1 minus 110 0. Next to 115 50 minus 30 0 115 this one. So minus 10 no, plus 1 plus 5 plus 55. So this is 25. This value is 25. So 25. Find out mean. Which method? Step division method. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi into UI by sigma Fi into H. A is equal to what? A is equal to, assume this is 57. 57 plus Fi into UI is equal to 25 by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to is nearly 400. This is 400. Adding 400 into 3. 3 means H. H is equal to class size. Class size is equal to 3. So that is equal to 57 plus 25 8. 25 fours 100 and 25 16s. 3 by 16. 57 plus 3 by 16. 25 16s. So that is equal to 57 plus 3 by 16 is equal to nearly 1.57. 3 by 16. 3. 3 by 16 0 1 16 14 0 8. So 0.1875. So that is equal to 57.1875. 57.1875 is nearly value 57.19. The mean is 57.19. So what is the question? It can be observed that the class interval continues. Which method you did use? Why? Which method? Step division method. I did use step division method. Why means the fi and xi values are large, so I have been to the step division method. Okay, so this is the reason. What last step? Last step, what is the last step? So step division method is used. Step division method is used. Step division method is which method we did use Andri? Okay, step division method is used. Why? Fi and di values are big. Values are big and common is there. So this is the problem number 5. So observe the intervals. First of all, this is not continuous intervals. So not continuous intervals, we have to change into modified class intervals. After that, continue the xi, di or ui anyway. Okay, clear this one. Okay. Just the calculation is more important. You have to calculate by using the simple calculator, not scientific calculator. So 7th problem in the exercise, to find out of the concentration of SO2, sulfuric acid something, SO2 in the air. The data was collected for 30 localities, 30 in a certain city and is presented below. Data is given. 7th problem. Concentration of SO2. Concentration of SO2. Next, frequency. 0.00 0.002 0.04, next 0.04 to 0.08 0.08 0.08 to 0.12 0.1 to 0.16. Next 0.16 to 0.20. Next 0.20 to 0.24. Frequencies 4, 9, 9, 2, 4, 2. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So, first table. Concentration of SO2 0.002, 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08, 0.082, 0.12, 0.122, 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20, 0.202, 0.24. Next frequencies F5 4, 9, 9, 2, 4, 2, 18, 20, 24, 26, 28, nearly 30, 6, 8, 12, 12, 18, 30. Next class mark. Class mark is Xi. What is the class mark formula? Upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. 0.004 plus 0.004 by 2 means 0.02. What is the difference? 4 difference. 0.04 difference each one. 0.04 adding 0.04. So 0.06. Okay, difference 0.04 minus 00 equal to 0.04. Each interval difference is 0.04. Next 0.10. Next 0.14. 0.18. 0.22. Next di Fi Xi. So 0.2 Fi into Xi is also apply the formula, direct method formula, direct method. So for example, for you have di 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. In 6, what is the middle one? 0.10 or 0.14. Any one is the middle one. So I want to take 0.14. I want to take 0.14. Your own interest. So 0.10 also you have to take. You can take. Okay. So di is equal to Xi minus 0.14. So 0.02 minus 0.14 is equal to 0.12 minus 0.12 Xi 0.02. 0.02 minus 0.14 equal to minus 0.12. So minus 0.08. Next minus 0.04. 0. Okay, this is plus 0.04. Next 22. 8. 0.08. So there is no difference. GA also 0.12, no problem. So Fi into Xi direct method you can use ORR. Fi into di assume mean method you can use, or Fi into ui step division method also you can use. So di, what is ui? Ui is equal to di by, what is the h? H is equal to what? 0.04 minus 0.0 is equal to 4. Di by H. H means 0.04. What is the H? H is equal to class difference. So 0.04 minus 0.02 is equal to 0.04 class difference. So di. So di is equal to 0.12 by 0.12 by 0.04 is equal to 4 1s, so 4 3s. So 3 minus 3 minus 2, 0.08 by 0.04 is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. 0.01 by 0.04, 0.8 by, this is 1, no, this is 2. So, Fi, okay, Fi is fixed. Xi is also 0 point something, 00 something. Di is also 0 point after 2 decimals. So, Ui simple values, easy calculations, easy values. Okay, so that's why I did use the method of step division method. Okay, I will use method. So now here understand, Fi into Xi direct method, assume mean method, this is step division method. Which one is easy? Step division method easy, because minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Here di 0.12, 0.082, this one, this also. So this process is very lengthy, so that's why we have to apply step division method. So here what is A? A is equal to A is equal to what? 0.14. H is equal to 0.04. Sigma Fi is equal to 30. Sigma Fi into Ui is equal to minus 3. With 3 cancel, minus 3. Okay. So mean formula, x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi into Ui by sigma Fi into H. So A is equal to 0.14 minus Fi into Ui is equal to 3 by, this is 30, into H is equal to 0.04. So 0.14, 3 1s, so 3 10s, so minus 0.004, 3 1s, so 3 10s, so 0.04 by 10 is equal to 0.004. So that is equal to 14 minus 0.0 something is equal to 0.14. So nearly this is 0.9867. 0.9867. This is 31 now. What is Ui? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. So only Ui is not correct. Fi into Ui. Next we have to calculate Fi into Ui. Fi into Ui. Fi is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 12, 9 minus 2 minus 18, 9 into minus 1 minus 9, 0, 4 into 1, 4, 2 into 2, 4. This is equal to, total one is minus 31. So what is A is equal to 0.14 and H is equal to 0.04. Sigma Fi is equal to 30. Sigma Fi into Ui is equal to minus 31. So mean formula, mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi into Ui by sigma F into H, that is equal to 0.14 plus minus 31 by 30 into 0.04. So 0.14 minus, plus into minus minus, so 31 by 30, this is value is nearly 0.04 133, so that is equal to value 0.0989867. This value is near to 0.099. This value is very near to, mean value is very near to 0.099. So what is the answer? Mean concentration of SO2 in the air, how much? Mean concentration of SO2 in the air is 0.099, nearly 0.099. Okay, this is the mean. Totally 3 methods: direct method, assume mean method, and step division method, maximum covered. So tomorrow I will discuss the mode for grouped data. Mode for grouped data tomorrow I will discuss. In the exercise 4 or 5 problems are there, homework. Okay, thank you.